Hello and welcome to Mr. Tilleys Media. Now today we're going to focus on paper 1 of your exam. We're going to go through what to expect and how to answer the questions properly. So paper 1 is worth 35% of your GCSE. You have around 1 hour and 30 minutes to actually complete it, and the paper is actually worth 84 marks. Now, paper 1 is actually split into two sections. Section A, your focus is solely on your media language and your representations. Now, here's a quick tip. When analysing an unseen text, quickly note down what stands out. Think about your colours, your font, your facial expressions, your body language, stereotypes, and all the media techniques. Section A, media language and representations. You will be given an unseen text. This could be an advert, magazine cover, or a social media post. You will have to analyse the text, focusing on media language, how it's constructed, so looking at the camera work, layout, colouring, editing, and so on and so forth. Representations, how people, places, events, or issues are presented in that way and why. And section B is focusing solely on media industries and audiences. Section B, media industries and audiences. Focus on how the media is being produced and how we as an audience consume it. You'll need to show knowledge of how industries work, so think about ownership, funding, regulation, marketing, and distribution. How audiences are targeted, reached, and how they respond. Question types. You'll get short questions, so very quick analysis, which is worth between 2 to 6 marks. These are typically descriptive and asking for examples. Then you have mid-length questions. Explain or analyse using evidence. So this is going to be between 8 to 12 marks. And then you have an extended response question, and this is going to be worth 20 marks. And this requires a more evaluative style, so a more structured essay style answer. Now here's another tip. Spend longer on the higher mark questions. Don't spend 20 minutes on shorter marks questions. Don't spend around about 20 minutes on an 8 marker. Also, revise your CSPs. Know around about 2 to 3 detailed points about each CSP that you've studied. So music, adverts, video games, and so on. Know them.